Welcome to our channel. Today we're discussing an essential topic for families planning a cruise vacation. The necessary documents you'll need when cruising with kids. Before you set sail, it's crucial to ensure you have all the required documents in order. This not only ensures a smooth embarkation process, but also guarantees compliance with U.S. regulations. First things first, passports or birth certificates for all travelers, including children, are a must. You will need to have an original government-issued birth certificate with a raised seal. But remember, no photocopies or digital versions. Passports are preferred as they serve as a universally accepted form of identification. However, it is possible to travel without a passport. Watch my video about this topic in the link below. Children younger than 16 need only carry their birth certificates. Everyone else will need to have a government-issued photo ID. Whether you are a parent traveling alone with your child, divorced, or grandparents taking your grandchildren on a cruise without parents, you may need additional documentation. This typically includes a notarized consent letter or forms from the absentee parents or legal guardians granting permission for the child to travel. Different cruise lines may have specific requirements regarding documentation for minors. It's essential to check the cruise line's website or contact their customer service to understand their policies thoroughly. In case of medical emergencies during the cruise, having medical consent forms authorizing treatment for your child is vital. These forms should include details of any allergies, medical conditions, and medications. Before you cruise, double-check all your documents to ensure they're up-to-date and valid for the duration of your trip. It's also a good idea to make copies of all essential documents and keep them in a secure location while on board. Also, making a copy and emailing yourself is a useful tip. That wraps up our guide on the necessary documents for cruising with kids. By ensuring you have the right paperwork in order, you can focus on enjoying your cruise vacation worry-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more travel tips. See you on the high seas.